we have done estimated difference slash sum. I put difference for the subtraction operation and sum for the addition. So whatever you are currently performing out of these two, if you know how to estimate, you can perform any these two very easily. And there are few steps to get your estimated answer. Firstly, I'll tell you what is estimated answer. Estimated answer is actually not a real one, but very exact to the very closer to the real one. So this is 24, this is 9. Suppose I am performing subtraction here. We know that 20 is closer to 24 and 9 is closer to 10. So estimate, if I have estimated it, so my answer would be 10. But real answer is something else, which is 15. You can see 15 and 10 closer to each other. 15 is exact one and 10 is estimated one, means closer to the exact one. So this is the basic difference. But how will we perform estimated difference or estimated sum? For that, suppose you have this one, 3,688 and 9,462. These are, I have picked addends, two addends are there, and I want to get the estimated answer done. For that, I'll just look at the highest place value of the both of the addends. This is actually the, see, 1, 10, hundreds and thousands. So this is a thousand place value. I'm now bringing up, I'll check the number or digit just after, just coming after the highest place value, which is 6. And there is a rule, if that number is 5 or more than 5, what will happen? Then you can simply round it up by adding 1 to the highest place value. If the number is lesser than 5, you will do nothing and the rest of the numbers will change to 0. But in this case, I got 6, which is more than 5. It means I will round it up, so it will become 4, then 3 zeros, because there are 3 digits afterwards. So simply put the zeros at the place of digits. Next is 9400. What is coming just after 9? This is 4, and 4 is definitely lesser to or lesser than 5. Will do nothing, and this 9 will remain as 9, and rest of the digits will turn into zeros. And yes, that's how we'll perform estimated sum. So 4,000 plus 9,000 is equal to 13,000. So we know that once we have made any number, friendly number, then we can easily, and our calculation easily becomes very short and accurate. So that's why we follow this kind of process, which is estimated sum or difference, to make our calculation short and very fast. So this is something we have done today. I hope you got it. If you have any query, you can ask and you can simply drop it on our website. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.